Of course it did. You got to put your foot on the clutch.
Oh, when I step on the brake, the foot has to be on the clutch.
Of course.
Oh, I didn't do anything. That's why the brake didn't work. I have to do this way.
Correct.
Oh, I only do this. Didn't
Yeah.
work. That's it didn't work.
Well, you've got to get it into neutral to start it. Mickey, come here. Mickey.
I won't do it now. Let me relax first. Okay. When I just let the clutch off, put the clutch on the forward, whoa! Suddenly.
But you let it out slowly.
Yeah. Slowly, I have to left the clutch slowly.
Yeah.
And put the foot on the brake? No.
No.
I have to let the clutch slowly.
Slowly.
Brakes away.
And this is the accelerator.
I know that's accelerator. Brakes away now.
He'll go away.
Away.
Won't start unless you're in neutral. Let the foot out slowly. Slowly.
Okay, let the clutch off slowly, then totally off.
Yes.
Then started to drive.
Correct.
Okay, then when I brake, okay, put the two on the brake like this.
Correct.
Okay, when I accelerate, so put the foot on the clutch and accelerate.
No, just use the accelerator to accelerate. Don't have to put down the clutch.
Oh, yeah, okay.
All right. Just drive around for a while. Stop and start.
Folding is a little bit hard. No, it's not hard, but too big. I haven't get used to this. A little bit nervous because I haven't get used to
That's
this.
why I want you to start. Okay. Give it a try.
Okay, after I let the clutch off completely, so I just drive just on the speed one, isn't it?
Then you don't need any feet once you're driving. Okay?
But the speed one is quite fast.